Hello everyone, this is Shashank and this is my Kit503 ICT Professional Practices project, and this has been done in the group of four members, Shashank, Chandu, Lokesh and Venkatadili. And my project is totally based on the latest technology, that is NFC, which is near field communication. Our project totally is based on the NFC chips or computing technologies, which is the latest technology which begins to develop in new devices. NFC is a progression which utilizes the fundamental RFID and smart card placing into the cell phones. And coming to the concept, this NFC is used in the latest devices where we can share the data and data or payments, or it can be used in ticketing. Uh, Giving the main examples, this is mainly used in the Hobart City, and which is figuring out the ticketing and banking statements and bank payments. How can we target the audience? Mainly, we can target the audience by in the banks. Coming to an example, the Commonwealth Bank, where we use the debit cards and credit cards, it uses the NFC chips for the payments and the transactions and the payments. In the payments, we are coming to the uh, online payments, that is inventory management payments and uh, credit and debit card payments. And coming to the ticketing, the buses which are used in Hobart City are mainly used using the NFC technology for the payment of their ticketing services. This is the area where we can target the audience fast. And competitions. Coming to the mainly the competitors of NFC are the QR code and barcode. QR code is a code where quick response code. This is developed earlier in 1990s, where it has been used many, um, where it is used in our latest technology also, but it's not quick as NFC and barcode. Barcode is nowadays used in many supermarkets, but not used in the payment technologies and inventory management systems. These are the competitors where they are improving their technologies nowadays to compete with NFC management system. And our business model. Our business model mainly comprises of our financial feasibility and the testing and organizational feasibility. The financial feasibility is the cost of the model which we have made. It's it's under the feasible financials and low cost and low budget. There we use only NFC chips which are very cheaper and affordable by every individual, and they can be used to it. And organizational feasibility is we can keep these chips anywhere, and it's very feasible for our uh, carrying anywhere and the testing. In this testing, it has been completed the two ways of testing, that is black box testing and white box testing. It has laid our new technology into our testing system, and was uh, one of the first latest model which have passed all testing systems, and it is reliable. The core technologies we have used here is Java, mainly the Java concepts over here, and our computing technologies which are very helpful for here. And we have given a future scope for these technologies coming into the business, and day by day the technologies have come into the picture and made the one of the major running technologies of coming days. This NFC is one of the major technology where we can use in the inventory, and giving the examples such as Bharat Dynamics Limited and many companies such as Bharat Heavy Electronics Limited. These companies use this NFC technology in their inventory management, where this inventory management is the main for the segregation of the components of their organizations. These are the main technologies which we use in the system. And coming to the conclusion, this NFC has laid many uh, technologies aside and made them. Uh, this scanner made fix the many required details such as where we have used it in the ID cards, chips, and debit cards and bus ticketing chips. Uh, I feel that this technology of NFC is a framework of revived by utilizing the NFC movement rather than the scanner names such as QR codes. The upside of utilization of NFC progress is it may be fixed or adjusted anywhere. Uh, these are our conclusions, and we feel that this technology must be coming in latest technologies and lay a remarkable stand over these future technologies. Thank you, and these are our references. Thank you so much.